Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be sharing my personal experience with Bitdefender, one of the top names in the antivirus industry. I'll walk you through their features, pros, cons, and plans so you can make an informed decision based on real-world testing. I personally use Bitdefender's antivirus, and I found it to be an effective solution for online security and protection. And if at any point you decide to check out Bitdefender, check out the link in the description below for up to 67% off of your initial purchase, which you won't find by going directly to their website. All right, so here's some of the features that put Bitdefender ahead of their competitors. First up is the virus scanner, which thoroughly scans devices for any malware that might be present, and it doesn't take up a lot of space, so you don't have to worry about performance. Bitdefender's virus scanner is always up to date on the latest threats, even new viruses that haven't been seen or dealt with before. There are also 4 different types of scans to choose from: a quick scan, a system scan for a detailed analysis of your whole computer, a custom scan for specific locations, and a vulnerability scan to keep your privacy and software up to date. Another standout feature is the Bitdefender Shield, which provides real-time protection. As soon as you open your emails or files, Bitdefender Shield jumps into action, scans for malware, and catches it before it can harm your computer. I found it to be really effective in blocking threats, although occasionally it may cause a slight delay in opening files or attachment due to the scanning process. And when it comes to shielding your device from phishing attacks and dangerous websites, Bitdefender's antivirus monitors everything really closely. It has anti-phishing protection that compares each website you visit to a large database of dangerous sites. If it finds a match, it blocks access to that website to protect you from scams and potential viruses. And after testing it with numerous phishing sites, I was really satisfied to see that Bitdefender blocked every one of them. Although you may encounter some false positives where a legitimate website may be flagged as potentially dangerous, it happens rarely. Next, let's talk about Bitdefender's customizable firewall. Their firewall protects your computer from cybercriminals attempting to access your network and also offers some useful features such as port scan protection and stealth mode. To check this feature's reliability, I tested it with simulated network attacks, and its ability to block most of them really impressed me. But it's important to note that it may require some initial configuration for specific applications needing internet access, which can be a bit time-consuming for some people. Now, let's talk about performance. If you're looking to optimize your computer's performance and free up valuable disk space, Bitdefender offers something called OneClick Optimizer. The optimizer removes unnecessary files like temporary files and broken registry items to boost your computer's overall speed, and I found it to be really effective to do just that. Moving on, when it comes to identity theft protection, Bitdefender offers a specific feature which is unfortunately only available to users in the US. But if you are in the US, it's an essential tool for safeguarding your personal information. Bitdefender monitors data breaches and scans social media to spot any fake accounts pretending to be you, giving you extra peace of mind about your identity. So these are just some of the incredible features that Bitdefender offers. As for pricing and plans, there are different packages to suit various needs and budgets. First up is the Bitdefender Antivirus Plus, which is an excellent choice for Windows users. It costs about $20 for the first year and covers up to 3 devices. If you're a multi-platform user like me, Bitdefender Total Security is definitely the way to go. For only about $40 in the first year, you can protect up to 5 devices, including Windows, macOS, Android, and iOS. And for Windows users who are looking for advanced security features, there's Bitdefender Internet Security Plan. At about $35 for the first year, it protects up to 3 devices and defends your online activities. But if you have a big family with lots and lots of devices, they have a family pack which was designed just for you. For just about $45 of the first year, you get comprehensive security for up to 15 devices, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android, just like I mentioned. Plus, Bitdefender also offers 2 more packages for comprehensive multi-device security. First is the Bitdefender Premium Security. It covers up to 10 devices and costs about $50 for the first year, and it comes equipped with anti-malware features, anti-phishing capabilities, and anti-ransomware defenses. It also includes a VPN and a password manager, and finally there's the Bitdefender Ultimate Security Package. It's a top-tier plan that for about $80 in the first year, you can protect up to 10 devices with all the features of Bitdefender's Premium Security. You also get identity theft protection, unlimited premium VPN access, and a password manager. It's also worth mentioning that all Bitdefender plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can try them out risk-free and see which package suits you and your needs. But in a nutshell, Bitdefender really impressed me with their advanced protection and privacy features. It makes them a top choice in my opinion for keeping devices safe. For ultimate security, I do recommend the Bitdefender's premium security plan. It covers everything from real-time threat detection to multi-layer ransomware protection, secure browsing, a VPN, and a lot more. All right, that's going to be it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe for more. Feel free to leave any questions or your experience with Bitdefender in the comment section down below. And remember to check out the link in the description below to receive a discount on your first purchase, which isn't available by going directly to their website. Guys, thanks so much for watching to the end of this video, and I'll see you in the next one.